Are you tired of dull, lifeless skin and acne scars that just won't fade? Forget expensive creams and chemical treatments. Today, I'll show you how to make a powerful DIY face mask using just 2 ingredients from your kitchen: honey and cinnamon. This natural remedy works wonders to brighten your skin and fade acne marks. Let's dive right in. 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin. It's packed with antioxidants, helps heal damaged tissue, and is incredibly soothing for acne-prone or irritated skin. Cinnamon, on the other hand, is a powerhouse ingredient. It has strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help fight acne, unclog pores, and improve blood circulation for that natural glow. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Stir well until it forms a smooth, sticky paste. Make sure the cinnamon is finely ground to avoid irritation, and always use raw, organic honey for best results. Before applying the mask, cleanse your face thoroughly to remove any dirt and oil. Pat your face dry. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply a thin layer of the mask evenly on your face, focusing on scarred or dull areas. Avoid the area around the eyes and lips. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. You might feel a mild tingling. That's the cinnamon working. But if it stings or burns, wash it off immediately. Once time is up, gently rinse the mask off with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a soft towel. Follow up with a gentle moisturizer or aloe vera gel to soothe the skin and lock in hydration. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for best results. You'll notice brighter, smoother skin and a visible reduction in acne marks over time. This simple DIY face mask is a game changer if you're looking for a natural solution to acne scars and dullness. It's affordable, effective, and easy to make at home. Try it out and let us know how it worked for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more beauty and skincare tips, and hit the bell icon to never miss a glow-up hack.